What is up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. We're gonna put on a big wing on my boy's Miata. It's gonna be pretty cool. We're trying to rice it out as much as we can, so don't hate. We're just having fun with it. I'll see you guys there. Yo, wait, let me see. Dude. Oh my god, this guy's a ricer, isn't he?
Let's get to winging.
Alright, what do we need? We need washers and nuts.
That's it.
To fit this. Are we gonna bring this in and then?
No, we could just probably estimate. And we can take one of these off.
Yeah, we'll probably take that off. Alright, so where are we going? Ace?
We're at work.
Alright, we about to head out to Ace.
I'll park in the back. I know.
Alright, I'm gonna go look for the bolt size or the nut size while he is going through the back. And then we're gonna come out and test it out since we're not gonna bring the wing inside because that's kind of weird.
Nothing, I'm just looking for a net. I need one for the door. It's a little... Yeah, but I'm gonna go see because I didn't. It's stuck to a piece, so I can't take it off and bring it in. I just need to go.
Oh, okay.
I'll be right back. What?
Man, they're hecka nice. Dude, why are they so nice? They just let us take this out.
Yeah, that should be it. Oh, other side. Yeah.
Hey, I guessed right. Hey. All right, we found the right nut size. Now we're gonna go pay for it, or we could just take it.
No, we're not.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
It's like 30 cents.
We're gonna go pay for it.
Hold on.
Hey, we need washers too.
No, bigger washers are over here.
Oh, these would work. All right, these are too.
What?
The holes are too big. I don't remember which one I have, so we could test it. You wanna just buy new ones?
What? Washers?
Washers.
Hold up, because we could just put a washer over a washer, right?
No, but we need more surface area.
Okay, hold on, give me a second. I'll just drop in this one.
Which one?
4 washers.
Don't you gotta write the number down?
Yeah, I already know. It's not a number. It's just 4 of 23 cents. 23 cents.
So we got these washers to go underneath the trunk. So this slips in the hole that we drilled. Then we put that and the bolt, and then we tighten it down. That's basically it. He's about to take me to my car because I parked far away. Oh, there's my baby. All right, peace. Yeah. It's gonna be a pretty simple install because it doesn't really take a lot of work. But I wanted to make a video about it anyways because I thought maybe some people might not know how to do it. So it should be pretty cool. He's trying to be a ricer, so it's gonna look pretty ricer once we're done. But I mean, that's his goal, that's what he wants, so to each their own, right? Are you ready to be an official ricer?
Sure.
Man, this is the final step to be a ricer. Hey, you know what you should do? And then put it slanted, like this. Yeah, like that. It's a joke.
I wouldn't.
Yeah, like that.
It was a joke.
I mean, this is a joke anyways. All right, I'm gonna go open the garage. Keep it coming. All right, that's good. What wing is this?
I don't know. There's some guy.
It says APR performance.
But it's not.
But we don't know. We don't think it is. But it might be, you never know.
I don't think so.
Are you gonna have it like this?
Yeah. I was thinking, I think that looks like Batman. Looks
Yeah.
like his eyebrows, but
I like that too.
I don't know. People might not like it, so I'm gonna just do it like everyone does it to, you know, follow the wave.
Yeah, you're just gonna be normal. So.
Yeah, so like this?
Yeah, like that. Definitely.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Dude, that would look really good.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually gonna look pretty cool. Not like that, obviously, but the right way.
Nice.
Pretty ricer, but still pretty cool. But yeah, we could drill it from under. That's a good idea. I was thinking measuring it.
Hold up, let's.
How far do you want it?
Like that? Or a little bit more out. Like that.
Alright, right? So we'll measure this.
A little bit more out.
Alright, so at 1 foot.
1 foot?
At 1 foot. Alright, so at 1 foot above. Hard to do. Only 2 hands.
I think that's very inaccurate.
Alright, so we need to find a drill bit almost exactly the same size as that. See it? The edges? And that's how you know. Would you like to do the honors?
Yeah, you go ahead.
Why me? I don't want to fuck with your car.
No, but you marked the hole and you know. Give me a sec. I think they're gonna land right here on the crib, like that. Yeah, but look.
Yeah, you're good. It's the middle of the pole, remember?
Yeah, but it's hitting the edges. Like
I think you're good, dude. Let's drill the first one and then put it in from the top and then mark the other side. And if it doesn't work, like if it lands in here, then all we have to do is drill a big hole right here. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're right.
Let's put it on and see where the other holes land. We should measure this distance and then that distance to make sure it's even. All right, so that's 11 1/4. That looks right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
4 inches.
Time to drill more holes into
Here,
it.
let's mark them up from above.
Yeah. You give me consent to drill a hole in your car?
Yeah, go ahead. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my
God.
Ricer step number 1. Nice.
You need the front one over there?
Oh.
Oh, it should.
Yeah,
We
it
could
should
both
be
it
good.
down. Woo!
That's looking pretty ricer.
It's looking pretty ricer to me.
Alright, dude, let's bolt these in. So we're gonna need, I have no idea what this is, but let's try 9. No, 10.
No.
Ooh, it's a
Is it 10?
Yeah. Did you get 4 washers?
Yeah.
Where's the other one?
I don't know. You took it off, remember?
Maybe I fell. Alright, let's get these in. Dang! It's hecka solid too.
Check it out from the front.
Dude. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. He definitely likes the new wing. So don't make fun of us for this. He's just trying to be a racer, you know? Right?
Completed.
Yep. The first step to being a racer. Next is exhaust and all that. So there you guys go. Like the video, subscribe. Let's hit 100 subscribers and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bro, what the fuck? Where'd you even get this?
Dude, I didn't know that about you. What?